Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, I'll show you how to add a click-to-call button to your OptinMonster campaign. Be sure to check out the links I've left in the description, and if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. I'm almost finished editing the design of my campaign. I just need to add a click-to-call button. I'm currently editing a pop-up campaign, but click-to-call buttons can be added to any campaign type. To do so, I'll select the Home button, and then simply drag and drop the button block into the location I want. Next, I'll adjust the settings in the left panel. First, I'll edit the button text. Then, under Button Click Action, I'll select Click to Call and type my phone number in the phone number field. We recommend including the full international dialing code with the number to ensure that the call will be placed regardless of where the visitor is located. Next, I'll set the width, alignment, and size of my button. To further adjust the button's appearance, select the Advanced tab. Here you can change the background color and font settings, add an icon, add rounded corners, and adjust the spacing for both the normal and hover states. And that's it. When you're finished editing your click-to-call button, select Save. You can then move on to the final steps of setting your display rules, connecting your email service provider, and publishing your campaign. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation. Or, for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.